Intro, 1 minute. Friends, have you ever thought that life is like a computer? The better the data we put in, the better the output we get. But many of us fill the processor of our life with negative thoughts and doubts. And then we complain why we don't get success. Today I will tell you a story that will explain to you how we can achieve success by reprogramming our life system. Story, 3 minutes. There was a boy from a small village. He had an old computer which kept giving errors. People used to say, "This machine can never be in working order." But that boy tried to understand every error. He would reinstall the system, learn the codes, fix bugs. I kept struggling for years. Today the same boy is a top software engineer, and he has opened his own IT company. Now think, if that boy had broken the computer after seeing the error, would he have been successful today? He accepted every failure as a system update, and that became his biggest strength. Lesson, 3 minutes. Friends, our life is also like a computer. Failures, these are just errors, which teach us how to do the next step better. Negative thinking, these are the viruses that slow down our system. And hard work, this is our RAM. The more you work, the faster you will get success. So if you want to move ahead in life, reprogram your system. Negative thoughts delete Caro. Positive mindset install Caro. Hard work ka antivirus logout. And create a goal-oriented operating system. Action steps, 2 minutes. Start a life update for yourself from today itself. Write a positive line every morning after waking up. Do a little hard work every day which will take you one step closer to your goal. And most importantly, never underestimate the processor inside you. The computer works as long as it gets current from it. And a man remains alive as long as hope is alive within him. Hope and hard work, both together make the impossible possible. 1 minute. Friends, remember. Life is a supercomputer, and you are its creator. You decide whether to crash the system or make the fastest processor in the world. Just keep upgrading your system. And one day the screen of your life will show only one message: mission successful. This was today's motivation of Grover Inside. If you liked the video, then share it with your friends, and always remember. Only one command will run in the system of life: never give up.